Suggestion none back in the day. Afghanistan's President Sardar Daoud Khan heard cab fares were skyrocketing in Kabul. So what did he do? He ditched the suit, donned regular clothes, and hailed a cab like any ordinary Joe. How much to Pulichaki? The cabbie, unaware of his VIP passenger, replied, "I don't work at the official rate." Daoud Khan started bargaining. 20? Nope. 25? Higher. 30? Keep going. 35? Finally, the deal was struck. As they rode, the curious cabbie asked, "Are you military?" "Go higher," Daoud replied. "An official. Go higher. A general. Higher. A marshal. Even higher." Finally, the cabbie guessed, "You're not Daoud Khan, are you?" Daoud smiled. "Bingo!" The cabbie's face turned pale. "Will you send me to jail? Higher exile? Higher execution?" Daoud laughed. "Nope, just a lesson. Imagine a few claps like this in our world. Corruption wouldn't dare show its face."